This calculation is about making a plan for the building site, also based on your Sigma calculation, and doing it in MS Project. As you can see, we have some activities here. We have foundation plinths that consist of these two activities, and then we have walls, etc. Because basically these are titles to the underlying activities. And by going into this file here, we can see these activities with their different costs. We can actually, as before, transfer this to Excel, and we will get this page with their activities on an Excel sheet. You can now see the main titles and their activities, and basically what we have to do now is to transfer this into a network diagram. If you want to work without sending the calculation directly to MS Project, then you can use a network diagram view where you put these activities in. I suggest you start off by using some post-it pieces of paper and putting this up as a group into a network diagram. So use your post-it pieces of paper to put on these activities, and then use a big piece of paper on a wall and place the post-it on the wall, and then you can transfer that diagram into MS Project by going into the network diagram. This is your normal project bar chart. And to start a bar chart like this from scratch using the network view, let's start a new program, a new file. We create a new file here, and I'm just going to go straight away into the network diagram here. If you can't open this bar, you can right click here and click on the view bar at the bottom of this page. So click on there, then you have the network diagram, which is a blank piece of paper. Go into format and into layout, and click on allow manual box positioning. When you click OK, then you can drag and drop, and you can make the different boxes for your schedule. You can write the activities, for example, establish building site, and you can put a duration for that in to begin with, let's say 3 days, and then we have, for example, groundworks, and put a duration in for that too, and foundations, and down here we can put in slab, for example, and put in duration for that. And in this way you can move around with your boxes, like for example this, you can move it over here. You can say establish building site, then do the groundworks, and by moving this slightly you can get a better diagram. When the groundworks are finished, you can do the foundations. So move this around like this, and also perhaps after that you can do the slabs, link that to that. Again, you have to move around a bit, and you can just zoom out if you can't see enough. Let's move a couple of these. Perhaps we can call this one drain. And put a duration on there, and then we can link them together. So in this way you can make a schedule, and when you click on the Gantt chart, you'll find that schedule is in here. And in the same way as you did before with putting in, you can put in a column called C for costs, and then you can write in the value of these, which you've perhaps got from this one here where you exported it to Excel. We had this here. Then you can copy the sales prices and put them into the place in project where they belong. I'm just going to put it in here for the moment, and that way you'll be able to put in all the prices and go into project, reports, costs, select cash flow, edit, and choose months, and click OK and select again, and there you will have the cash flow for your works. And that ends this video.